Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah and today we are going to learn how to hyperlink in PowerPoint. So now in PowerPoint I just set up this. Now I've set up this thing now. I have this button here. Now I have this button here, and as now I have this button here, and I will have to add now I have this button and I want people to be able to press it. So now but there's going to be one small problem. So let's say that I have a slide. I have another slide with a this call out. It's going to say hello. Now we're just going to move it here. Let's just going to make it bigger. Now we're going to add shape effects. Okay, now I have this slide here, and in the next slide, let's say that I wanted to have the button. I wanted to say button press, and now I'm just going to change the effect. Oops. Okay, so now if I want to do slideshow from beginning, if I press the button, it's going to change it to this slide. But we wanted to change to the button pressed slide. So you can right click on it and then you can add hyperlink. Then it's going to show this. Oops, I hyperlinked it to the wrong place. So I'm going to hyperlink it to slide 3 and then press OK. Now if I start it from beginning again, if I press the button, you see that it will change to button press. And now I'm going to go back and you see that this slide is still here, but it still changes to the button pressed. So that is hyperlinking.